Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, sometimes 3, 5, sometimes even 10 accounts, and they run them all at the same time. But we're only going to use one because I want to show you guys the potential of just one account and just trying this out and showing you guys this works. Alright guys, some of you guys may get better results than me or worse. I'm not sure. I'm just showing what happens with me. So anyway guys, you interested in following along, the links are in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting this particular product, the $25 business, is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. That means that essentially, if you were to click on my link, right, and purchase the $25 business, you pay $25, I get $20 of that. And if you stay in the system, I get another $20 of that next month. Alright, so that's how that works. So it's easy to build income, so that's why I like promoting it. Anyway guys, let's look at our results here. We're gonna refresh the page. Don't believe results if you not refresh, the page ain't refreshed. Alright, so go. Alright guys, it looks like we did get a sale.
Nice.
We got a sale today. Early this morning, guys. We got a sale early this morning. As you know, I make these videos around 5 o'clock, so I got a sale around 1 or 2 or something like that. I think these are rebuilds because it's the first, you know, it's the first of the month, but this is a sale. Yeah man, it's working out. It's working out. That's all I'm trying to say. It's working out for me. So anyway guys, this is what you do if you want to follow along and do exactly what I'm doing here guys. I'm gonna tell you the exact thing to do. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do, go to my page. While you're watching this video, right, there's going to be a link in the description. It's going to say step 1. Now you're going to want to click on that link, and once you click on that link, it should take you to a page that looks something like this. Alright, and what this is essentially explaining the $25 business and how much money you can make. $20 to $100 monthly commissions, and that's what I've been making. I've been showing you guys along the way for the last like half a year, pretty much about 6 months. So we just gonna go ahead and keep going with that, right? So you read through this, you decide you want to try this out. All right, you click yes, I want in. It'll take you to a page in which
Hey there, my friend. This is Paul Hutchings, one of the co-founders.
It'll take you to this video here. It'll just basically explain what this product is and stuff, so we can make sure people understand what they're purchasing, guys. That's all this video is all about. But yeah, but once you get through this video, you say, hey, I want to try this out. Once you wait for the 1 minute here, what should happen is it'll take you to this page here. Now this page here, guys, it's just the information. You put in your information, you want to try the product, and it's $25 right here, guys. Now one thing I want to show you about, and this is HBA Premium. This is essential. HBA Premium is essentially training on how to get sales, and it teach you paid ads, YouTube, whatever it may be, right? A whole bunch of stuff, and it's constantly updated every single time. It also has a content machine. Basically, you type in whatever you want, and it'll post. It'll make whatever you want. Like say you want to make an article, you want to make a email, whatever it is, right? The content machine, it'll do it for you. So yeah, you can get all of that, and if you click on the link below, guys, you will get that for 2 weeks for free if you choose to. I recommend getting it for at least the 2 weeks. All right, guys, and then you know, it's the $125 a month after that. So here's one thing I want to sure I explain, guys. You have to have the product in order to make a sale off of it. For example, you have to have the $25 business, right? You'll get $20 sales because you that's what you purchase in the $25 business. You'll get $20 every time somebody signs in on you. But if you do not get this, and the person under you do get this, you would not receive that $100 that you would have received from this 125 here had you had the system. And that's just how it works. All right, guys, it's a very good deal, but you got to have the product to get the sale. All right, so Once you decide you want the product, it should take you to a page look something like this. Oh, sign in, blah. Take you to a page look something like this. All right, guys. It'll look something like this. And what you want to do, you want to click on affiliate zone. Once you're in affiliate zone here, right, you can watch these videos. It's also videos explaining this whole process that I'm showing you guys, but I'm just kind of giving you the quick version of it real quick. Once you get these videos, you click on sign up for affiliate program here, right? Sign up for the affiliate program real quick, simple process. You can log into SoundCard. SoundCard, it's gonna send you to this page here. Now you won't have any money in it like I got, but you won't have no money in it. But yeah, this is the SoundCard here. As you see, made about $4,000 so far. It's 4.6. So yeah, man, this is working well for me. And I'm not doing much to promote it. Like, this is the laziest way to promote this product. It only takes about a minute every day, honestly. So anyway, guys, once you do that, guys, you're gonna get all your links and all your links down here. So this is what you wanted. You want this link here, the all-in-one $25 business. And once you got your link, guys, you go to the second link in my description. That should be the My Lead Gen Secrets you can load up. All right, guys, My Lead Gen Secrets you can load up. And once you click on that second link, step 2, it'll take you to a page or something like this. And what this guy is gonna do, if you want to watch it, is explain what the My Lead Gen Secrets is. Honestly, all it is that you can you get 100 leads every single day. Every single day they cold leads, but they interested in making money online, and they're real because I'm getting sales off of them. So it's working for me. So when you do, you want to log in. You want to log in like that. All right. Make your account. I meant to say, make your account, then log in. It's simple process of making an account. It ain't that hard. So anyway, guys, you want to do that, and honestly, that you can click on my leads here. It's totally fine. But for the master email swipes, make sure not to purchase those. I show you my emails all the time. You got plenty of emails to go by, and you also have the emergent content machine to write you emails if you want it to. You know, it's very simple. So anyway, we're gonna click on the mailing system here. We're gonna click all our leads here. Now what we want to do is go to let's see. We're gonna go to our next email here after the 80% recurring commission. Where is it? Right here. Okay. All right. So we're gonna load this one up. Let's build your monthly income. And that's all it takes, guys. We got the email in there. Just pause the video to copy the email, by the way, guys. Just pause the video, copy the email. Right here, you copy the email. Very simple. See how it is. Just pause it when you need to copy, guys. I'll stop it at certain points so you have a chance to pause the video so you can copy it. You know what I mean? And that's the whole email right there. And you just sign your name and stuff. You can put a picture in there you want to. Put your link right here, guys. Make sure your link is in right here. Very simple process. You just click on link right here to put in your link. Alright, so we're going to hit perfect timing. What that does, send an email around time people check emails. And you want to preview and make sure your link works, guys. I'm going to check it real quick, make sure the link works. And the link does work, guys. So that's all it takes. We send the email and we are finished, guys. So ultimately, it's the laziest way to promote this product, and it works, guys. And one thing I want to explain is that it took me 8 minutes to do this while filming a video explaining everything. It took me 8 minutes to do it. All right, guys, 8 to 9 minutes, somewhere around there. Now, you guys, once you have all your emails in the system, it's only gonna take you like half a minute to load one up and just boom, boom, then perfect timing, send. That's all you gotta do. You won't even have to do nothing else because you'll have your emails already loaded up. And you just do that every day and you'll start making money, guys. Works for me, it'll work for you. All right. So that's all there is to it. One more thing I want to explain real quick for this system. It also has a high ticket sale, guys. And this high ticket sale is called Financial Literacy Academy. Now this right here, in general, it explains taxes and stuff like that, different type of strategies, some other strategies you can promote the product. It's very worth it. And this is the high ticket product. It's not recurring income, but it's $500 for the first 3 days. If you get it within the first 3 days, it's $500. All right, guys. And I've gotten 2 sales off of this so far. And if you wait past the first 3 days and you want to start again, you want to buy it, it's gonna cost you $1,000 to get it. All right, guys. And as you know, everything in this system is 80% income. 80% income. So if they pay 1,000, you will get 800. If they pay 500, you will get 400. I shown the other 400 I got, and I shown the when I got $400. That's what this was from. It was from this. So yeah, you could choose to do that as well. That's all I wanted to explain, guys. And that's the end of that. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Links in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.